Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to retract a report in Expensify. Now the first thing I want you to do is come around the left hand panel, click on reports. You'll see all your reports right here once we click on reports, right? Now there's actually two different scenarios and I'll show you both the different ways to retract reports. Scenario number one is when the report has been submitted. For example, this one right here, it's pending approval. So when it has been submitted, to retract it, all you need to do is click on it first, and then come here at the top right, click on more, and then just click on undo submit. Okay, that's all you have to do. Now if we scroll down, as you can see, it has been retracted. Now the other scenario, let's go back here to reports. I will show you how to retract a submitted report, okay, a closed report. So for example, this one right here, I'll click on this. Same way, you just come here at the top right, click on more, and then you just click on undo close. So those are the two ways on how to retract a report in Expensify.